Okay, BODMAS, but this time with roots and exponents. So remember, BODMAS is the same as BEDMAS, is the same as PEDMAS. It doesn't make a difference. Either way, you need to look for certain things. If you have a pair of brackets in your equation, then you need to do the brackets first. However, if in your brackets, okay, there is an exponent on the inside or a root on the inside, you need to do those first. If your exponent is on the outside of the bracket, you do what's inside the bracket first, then you raise it to the power. Don't raise it to the power first, okay? Anyway, if there's no brackets in your equation, like with this one, the next thing you need to look for is O, which is your exponents, which is roots and exponents. So here I have a bunch of square roots, cube numbers, and square roots, which means you're going to do those first. Once you simplify those, then you can finish. All right. Then the next thing to look for is multiplying, dividing, adding, and subtracting. All right. If you have something from division and then addition at the same time, then you have to do the division first, then the addition. Same if it were multiplying and addition or multiplying and subtracting, it doesn't matter. However, if you have division and multiplication in the same equation, you work from left to right. Same thing if you have addition and subtraction in the same, and there's nothing else, you're only adding and subtracting, then you work from left to right. Okay, you'll see now. So here, I don't have any brackets, but I do have roots and exponents. So I'm going to go and simplify those first. So the square root of 81 is 9. Okay, I'm not minusing yet. That's final step. Cube root of 125 is 5. I'm not plussing yet. The 2 to the power of 3 is 8. And 8 to the power of 2 is 64. Now that you've simplified and you've gotten rid of those horrible things, now you can see what's left. We have a bunch of pluses and a minus. Because they're combined and they're like brothers, sisters over there, you work from left to right. Don't try to do it all in one step because it is very easy to make a mistake when you do that. So do it in bits and pieces. Make it easier for yourself. So I'm going to do this part first. 9 minus 5 is 4. Now I just have pluses, again, left to right. 4 plus 8 is 12. And then final step, 12 plus 64 gives me 7.